Hello everyone, Dirty Riz here coming to you with another video. Today we have something tiny and new. This is DJI's new Mavic Mini, and it is very mini. Let's fly it. Okay, so here we are, up in the air with the Mavic Mini. I wanted to show you the camera off right away. This is a 2.7K camera, upscaled to 4K here to show it all off. No color correction done, 3-axis gimbal, just like the big boys, but just, you know, a little less pixels on the camera. I have to say, I don't really miss it too much here, because it looks smooth, colors are right, a little overexposed, but not too bad, and yeah, overall, pretty sweet. Now this was actually my first look at the drone. They were in the back there flying it, and I got to walk around it. It is incredibly small. I was so surprised when I actually saw it in person just how tiny and quiet this thing is. And here's a listen. Alright, just to show you how diminutive this little drone is, this is it next to its papa. Well, I mean, maybe its second cousin, who knows, but let's check this out. That is sitting it on top. This thing is tiny. I think it's gonna sell really, really well, and it is still fun to fly. 30 minutes on a charge, crazy. Yes, indeed, this drone is light. It is 244 grams. That is super light. You can't even imagine how light it feels in hand, and that is with the battery installed. Let's see if they have it installed. Are they lying to us? Nope, there is a battery inside. How cool is that? This thing is gonna be a lot of fun to play with. You may have seen these before on the drone that I showed off, but these are the actual propeller guards, nice and light again, but look at how much coverage you get like just from these, and it doesn't really add any weight. This is gonna be perfect for like flying inside. I can't wait to try that out. Okay, back out here in the light so you can get a better look. That is a micro USB charging port and a micro SD card slot. That's a little sad to see. 2.7K camera, 3-axis gimbal, as I said, Mavic Mini branding, but yeah, looks just like a Mavic Pro, just a mini. Okay, so I want to show a few more accessories. This is actually the bag you're gonna get if you get the Fly More kit, or if you buy the case separately. That thing in the front, I'm pretty sure, is just to show off the drone when it's there. But the bag is small, the drone is small. That's pretty cool. And here we have a really interesting. This is a thing. It's a lanyard for your Mavic Mini, so you can just wear it around your neck everywhere and just throw it in the air whenever you want. All right. I could dig it. Speaking of throwing in the air, let's throw this one back up in the air and talk about what's missing from this drone that makes it so inexpensive, so light, and still have this crazy flight time with only a 2400 milliamp hour battery. That is that it is missing almost all of the features, safety features I'd say, that the Mavic 2 Pro now has. That includes all of the obstacle avoidance sensors. There are no cameras on this thing that looking out like for branches of trees and everything that you might want to avoid. So you're gonna have to be careful with this. I think that's why they made the propeller guard so robust, because this is supposed to be like a first drone. It doesn't have all those crazy features. It still has, you know, geofencing. It still has a whole bunch of other features like that that can, you know, stop you from going too high, going in where you're not supposed to. That makes it safe, but it's not all that safe for you if you want to avoid obstacles. They do, however, are offering a $39 replacement fee for if you can actually recover the drone if you break it. They'll do 2 replacements in a year, $39 each. That's pretty cool. But yeah, for $399, right? It said this drone is $399, $499 with the Fly More pack, with the case, 3 extra batteries, a charger. I'd probably go Fly More just because $499 for all that seems pretty cool. But yeah, you are missing out on some. As long as you know that, you're gonna be good to go. All right, so that's the end of the event here. I gotta head back to the office, but this has been really fun. That drone is small and awesome, and I see it selling like hotcakes. This has just been a quick hands-on first look. I should have a review up as soon as I get one of my own and get to fly it for a longer time. All right, this has been Joey Riz. See you later.